Imagine being able to feed your tomatoes so well that they start to explode with fruit, and without expensive fertilizers, without chemicals, without poisons. Sounds unreal. And you may already have everything you need in your kitchen. My dear gardeners, welcome back to the channel where we reveal the most powerful secrets of organic gardening. Today I bring you a real miracle from the people's garden, an old trick that is so simple that many overlook it, and it works better than you can imagine. Today, more than ever, we need to know what we put in our soil and on our plates. Organic farming is not just a fashion, it is a fight for health, for clean soil, for fruits that not only look beautiful, but also smell like from childhood. And that is why we return to nature, and nature always returns double. Tell me below in the comments if you have tried milk or baking soda in the garden so far. What was your best natural trick for tomatoes? If you like what we're doing, click like, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell, because more powerful recipes for your garden await. Tomato is a demanding plant that loves moisture, but does not like fungi. It looks for nutrients, but without stressing the roots. And here comes a powerful combination. Milk is rich in calcium, vitamins, and probiotics. It strengthens the plant from the inside and protects it from the outside against diseases such as blight. Baking soda reduces the acidity of the soil, has an antifungal effect, and makes the leaf healthier and shinier. Together, these two foods act as a shield and engine for your tomatoes. And here's how to prepare it. Take 1 liter of milk, can also be skimmed. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix and pour in 9 liters of water. Water the tomatoes in the root zone with this mixture once every 7 days. You can also spray lightly on the leaves, especially if you notice the first signs of disease. The plants will literally bloom. If you try this simple mixture, your tomatoes will thank you by picking and picking and picking. Sometimes the strongest supplement is the simplest one. Click like if you found this helpful, share the video with your gardening friends, and subscribe for more garden changing tips. Until next time, let your tomatoes explode with love.